Watch the fries and then push him off. No, just let him go in there gradually. Hi, Brian.
Yeah.
He's like, I got in, now pick me up. You guys having fun? Brian likes it. Don't get him soaking.
Yeah, because that water's cold. Okay, get him out, honey. Now he's all wet. Go get it in a towel.
Stay there.
What you get it?